Ready? Let's jump. Nice and easy. You don't have to jump high. Just like jump rope. Just make sure that the surface is hard. Okay, 10 seconds rest, up on your toes. Warming up those calves.
4, 3, 2,
1 foot. This helps with balance, coordination. Back on your toes, up and down. If you want to hold on to something, you can hold on to something for balance. Other foot.
1.
Isn't this fun? It's so easy. You don't need any equipment. All right. Both feet, you're going to go side to side, multi-directional.
4,
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
You can go forward, back, side. Up. Skaters are next.
4, 3, 2, 1.
1 foot at a time. Up and down.
4, 3, 2,
Split.
1.
Up. Back to 2 feet. Jump rope.
2, 1.
Super easy.
Last one.
It's going to be in and out, just like a jumping jack.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Give me 10 seconds. You're done.